What's going on, guys? Welcome back. It's been a while, but been pretty busy. I'm having a knee surgery March 14th, so got to get a lot of stuff done. Right now I'm going to pick up a Skidsteer and take down to Glen Rose. It's got a mulcher and a grappler. Nothing too big a deal, but it probably weighs, I don't know, probably 15 or 16,000 pounds with the Skidsteer, the mulcher, and the grappler, but not too bad. But here we are on our way. I'm gonna put you on time lapse here and get to it. All right, here we are pulling in now. All right, let's talk a little bit. Since last video where we did the head bolts and adjusted the valves, let me tell you, I needed that valve adjustment. I lost about 50 to 75 degrees on EGTs, and overall it just sounds better, no more ticking, and just runs a lot better, starts better. I needed it badly. Now with the head bolts, I've got on it a little bit. I've reached 50 pounds of boost, and that's still only about 75% throttle. I'm still a little bit scared to go full throttle with it. But keep in mind that's stock injectors, stock timing. It's just using the Ford lift pump, about 50 PSI under throttle. It's just got a number 6 fuel plate. It's not slid all the way forward. It's probably about 3/4 forward. And then a stock HX35 on top of an HX55. So yeah, it's basically 100% stock fuel, and I'm getting 50 pounds of boost out of it and still running 1-to-1 drive pressure. I'm hoping to get a steed speed and an upgraded HX35, like a 62 millimeter inducer with a 65 millimeter exhaust housing, or a turbine wheel, and a little bit bigger exhaust housing. But we'll see what plays. I'm also thinking about doing some 5x11 SAC nozzles, but keeping the stock injector. Not really sure what I want to do yet, but I've just been playing around with it. But definitely getting an intercooler here soon, a new radiator, just to keep things cool, even though they run cool anyways. But that's just a few things that are in the works. But here we are. I'm gonna get loaded up here and get on my way. Sorry if there's any wind noise. We had a cold front blow through and it's pretty windy, but here's the main pieces of equipment I usually haul. Big excavator there was about 18,000 pounds with a normal bucket on it. That little case skip loader there, and then here's the big 299 cat Skidsteer with the mulcher, and I gotta grab the grapple somewhere, wherever it's at. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started here, and hopefully I'm gonna find a place to set the phone up and get a video of me loading it up. This is a pretty nice Skidsteer here. It's all decked out. We got a reverse camera and everything here. It's like the coolest thing ever. There's a big mulcher there. I gotta undo the mulcher and set it on the truck and then get the grapple and all that good stuff. But anyway, here it is. I got the heat turned on because it's pretty nippy. It went from 65 to about 35 in an hour and a half today, which is quite ridiculous. But set it down here so I can get the daggum door open. One thing that sucks is it don't have automatic locks here, which would be nice, because these suckers, if anybody knows, these can be a pain in the ass. Like that one right there that don't want to break loose. I'm gonna get this broke loose and get all the hydraulics done loose, and then I'll get back with you. here we go. Whew, it's nippy out there. The wind's blowing like 30 mile an hour. A lot colder than I want to be. But we're all loaded up and ready to go. Now there's a whole controversy on the right, wrong way to load a trailer, right, wrong way to chain one down, and snatch binders or snap binders and ratchet binders. But I like snap binders. Always have. Can't really give you a definitive reason, but I just always like snap binders more than anything else. But yeah, there's that. Here we gotta get turned around. Kind of a pain in the butt. Ah, shit. See, if I'd have been smart, I'd have turned around before I got loaded. But that's all right. We'll make do. It's got another Skidsteer here this time. It's usually not here, so it's in my way. But here we go, on our way. Now I always put a block at the end of my trailer. I leave my truck in neutral, set the e-brake, and load that way. Now with a Skidsteer like this, when the tracks crest the hump in the trailer, you know, your ramp or whatever you're using, this one I'm not too worried about going slow where it falls, because it doesn't jar the trailer that bad. But now when I'm putting the Skidsteer or the excavator on here, I got to be real slow, because it's got all of its weight right over the center, and it'll jar the trailer pretty bad if I just drive it on up there and not take it easy. Especially this trailer being really long, it likes to flex it a lot. But all right, we got loaded. We're gonna head out, and I'll see you when we get there. Coming up to a stoplight here. Can't see anything. Watch the transmission downshift. We can downshift to second. Second gear right there. Engine temp, bottom left corner.
Turn left onto Texas 144
right
South.
There in the middle. And then throttle position right there on the right. But I don't know if you can see this, but we're going to be going uphill, probably about a 4% grade. So we'll see how she does here. Probably won't get but to 5th gear maybe coming up this hill. I'm not going to push it or anything. No need to. I'm not in a hurry or anything like that. So no need to push a truck if you're not in a hurry.
Continue on Texas 144 South.
My exhaust under my truck's leaking a little bit. Right under the passenger seat. Real loud. God, it's annoying. I got to fix it. Alright, here we are, second gear locked. Almost 30 pounds of boost. Right at 800 degrees EGTs. Pretty good hill. £30 of boost, 50 pounds of fuel pressure. EGT still locked in at 800. Alright, here we go. Third gear. EGT is 850. Still going uphill. A little over 30 pounds of boost. 875 EGTs. Gonna crest it here in just a minute. Let these cars pass me. Got up to 40 mile an hour. There we go. Finally crest that hill. Pretty good hill. About a mile long maybe. There we are. 5th gear. 39% throttle. Alright, now we're cruising right along. Never got over 900 degrees EGTs. Get it in the overdrive here. Right there, there's 6th gear. Overdrive. We'll just cruise right there. I don't think I got the Skidsteer quite far enough forward. We've got a little bucking going on, but that's alright. Here we are running. Man, I wish you could see it. We're doing around at 65. I'll give it a little throttle here real quick. Woo! Almost 50 pounds of boost. Never even reached 900 degrees EGT. Even going uphill hard like that, engine coolant stayed nice and cool. Went down from 180 down to 174 because that fan kicked on. Truck sure does run good. I can't wait to get a better exhaust manifold and something a little bit upgraded than that stock HX35. She'll be a ripper then, and extremely reliable because it's basically all factory. Now I just got to keep that transmission healthy. I don't know what I'm going to do whenever it decides to let go. Built 5R, expensive, and I can't use this transmission as a core because it's pre-05 and has a smaller planetaries, the overdrive planetaries, and a few other things that aren't upgraded like the 05 plus 5Rs are. But we'll make do with what we got. If I can find a good deal on a ZF5 or ZF6, heck, even an NV4500, I'd put that in here too. But I really want to keep this 5R. Nice for towing, downshifts for me, easy, ain't got to work. Sure is nice. Here we are, slide uphill, doing 65, almost 70. Get us some throttle. 41.5% throttle, 800 EGTs, 35 pounds of boost. You cannot beat that, and it just trucking right along, buddy. Man, I love this truck. This right here is little town of Granbury. The square is not very friendly for trailers, I'll tell you that. Especially mine being almost 40 foot. It's 38 foot, so pretty tight right here sometimes. Hopefully the traffic ain't gonna be too big of butt heads and let me swing wide and get over there. We'll see. Come on, lady. All right, here we go. Let's see what happens. Swing wide. Some people get pretty scared whenever I get close to them. Oh yeah, plenty of room. Look at that. Not bad at all. Looks like we got a cop, got somebody pulled over up there. I wonder what happened. All done, turn his lights off. Alright guys, finally made it. Goodness gracious, I hate Google Maps. I swear, every time I use it, it takes me to the wrong damn place. Which sucks when you're pulling a trailer like this, because usually places I go are out in the middle of nowhere on old county roads. Usually can't turn a damn thing around, but we got her all set up. I'm gonna set the phone up, get this sucker unloaded for you. Here we go. Got unloaded. headed home. Well, I'm not headed home yet, but that's what we're about to do. Anyways, that was a quick little haul this evening. Got it done. Truck did phenomenal, like it always does. Had a little mishap with the GPS, but you know, that always happens. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video this week. Trying to get a little bit better at this filming thing. Not too good at it and don't know how to talk and get good content or anything, but this weekend we're gonna be busy. I've got to haul 120 head of cattle or yearlings to the sale barn. Gonna be about 3 trips. I can get 40 head of yearlings on my trailer. Doing it myself. My brother's gonna catch the cattle, pin them, and then I'm gonna haul them. He's a cowboy of the family. But yeah, that's what we're doing this weekend. Hopefully get some good footage of that. And then still working on getting my drone going. The drone works fine, but it won't connect to my phone where I can get the video and the remote, so it makes it a hassle. Doing it over Wi-Fi just sucks. I can only go so far away and everything. But yeah, anyways, that's today's video. Hope you all enjoyed it. And if you want more, just please like and tell me what you want. See you later.